Today we have Perilla oil soba noodles. It's delicious and flavorful and light, and all I need is from you is 5 minutes. Soba noodles is made of buckwheat flour. It's very healthy and delicious and good for diet. And yeah, so have you got anything to say, Daniel? Alright, if not, let's get started. Woo! First ingredient is perilla leaf. We're gonna use 5 of these. Take off the ends. Alright, and fan it a little bit. Can you smell that herbal?
Yeah, it smells like chewing gum.
We're gonna roll them up, turn it into kimbap. Just chop them thinly. Korean 청양고추, green chili pepper. Just get them really skinny. There's a Korean proverb saying 작은 고추가 맵다, meaning smaller peppers are more spicier.
Katie!
So you know, this is what I call a perfect 4 o'clock meal.
What's a 4 o'clock meal?
So when you're a little bit hungry but you don't want to have a full meal, you just want to get something light and like quick, and yeah, that's gonna fill you up. This is soba noodles. This is made from the buckwheat flour. Some brands mix a little bit of regular flour. Grab about the size of a quarter for one person.
Nice.
Mistake?
Alright guys, so what do you think of Katie's new hoop earrings? She's been...
오늘 좀 덥네. Did you guys see our last video, cooking with neighbors? I think it's really interesting to just see and bring into camera how other people are cooking, and like also a peek into like their houses.
Yeah, and like an interest or a topic that's worth speaking about, so go check it out.
So we really enjoyed filming with Taewon
Yeah.
and his family. So
Yeah.
who's gonna be next? It's boiling, so spread out the noodles.
For soba noodles, look at the back of your package, but it's generally 4 to 5 minutes. 물 갖고. If it foams up just a little bit,
just add some cold water.
don't panic like Katie.
After 4 or 5 minutes, and give it a rinse under cold water. Shake off excess water. You don't need to squeeze the water out of this one. Put the noodles in, perilla leaves, add them in. So we're gonna use some perilla oil. There is toasted and untoasted version. We're gonna use an untoasted one, but you can also use toasted one. It works just as fine. 생들기름, 1 tablespoon, and 1 tablespoon of soy sauce. And then mix it up. We're gonna use some roasted and seasoned laver, the ones that come like this, and then crumble it up. Put it over. Perilla leaf in the center, and then we got some alfalfa sprouts.
Nice. I love this, especially in sandwiches.
But alfalfa sounds so funny to me. How cute is that? And then of course our chili peppers. I don't want to put too many because it's very spicy. Just here and there. That's it.
Wow. Katie, you gonna mix that up for us?
Yeah.
Wow, that looks phenomenal.
Look at that. So I'm sorry I have to give it a try without you guys being here, but
Oh my gosh.
I love the flavor of the perilla oil. And there's something about this buckwheat noodles that's so light, and I love it.
Did you know that perilla oil has the highest level of omega-3, plant-based omega-3?
You mean outside fish?
Yeah, outside of fish.
Yeah, so it's a thing in Korea to like have a spoon of perilla oil every morning.
That's right, yeah.
Yeah, try it out and let us know what you think. Bye!